Damn, what, extra $5? I think this be crazy.
What's up, my babies? Come on. The fuck? What's up, my babies? It's your girl Serenity, and I am back with another video. And y'all, we are in Houston. We're in our Airbnb, and we were just sitting here bored. I just got done eating. Y'all see all that on my vlog or whatever. But I seen this video. I was like, let me do a spicy never have I ever. So I asked my brother. Oh yeah, I didn't even introduce him. Here's Colin, y'all. Woo! Clap for him. But yeah, so this is a spicy, I want you to know, it's a spicy never have I ever. And you gotta answer truth. You gotta answer truthfully, honestly, no lies detected. Okay?
Yes.
But I don't have the papers, y'all. The I have and I have not. We're just gonna have to say I have or I have not. Girl, no, he didn't just put his hand up to his mouth like I'm taking too long.
Let's get with the question.
Anyways, we don't have the papers, so we're at the Airbnb, like I said. So we're just gonna have to say I have and I have not. Okay. Right. I'm nervous. He might be like, girl, what the fuck? Okay. Let me see what I'm gonna start off at. I'm gonna start simple, y'all. I'm gonna start simple. Okay. Never have I ever been rejected. I have too. Was it about somebody like you that you really like a crush, or it's just like it didn't really bother you? Oh, okay. I have been rejected before, unfortunately. Okay, the next one is never have I ever double text someone.
I have.
Or you have? Yeah. Or are you like no, I'm not fucking double texting?
I double text.
Cause you do?
But then, I mean, I used to, but now I know my worth, so I feel like, you know.
I have double text too, I ain't even gonna lie. It's, well, I guess my ex, I double text him, and I've never really like double text multiple dudes, but if it's a dude that I'm really feeling and that I really like want to be with, I'm gonna shoot my shot a couple times. I'm not gonna lie. The next one.
Never have I ever do. I think this chair is uncomfortable.
Yes, this chair is uncomfortable for real. It is.
It's different for props.
Okay. Never have I ever had sex in a public place.
I have.
I have too. Where you do that?
We went behind this. We were behind his house, and we were in the car, and he was giving me.
Okay, I have. It was actually in Goodwill, in the dressing room. It was with my ex-boyfriend though, so.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I have. Mom, family, friend, family, get off the video. Just get off the video. Never have I ever went to jail.
You know I have.
I haven't, y'all. Thank you, God. Please, Lord, in the name of Jesus, I don't want to go. I'm not made for it. This is the next one. Never have I ever faked an orgasm.
I have.
You have?
Yeah, it was bad. It was bad. I wasn't even turned on anymore.
I was just watching a video and somebody else said that, but I've never faked an orgasm simply because I really just started learning how to, you know? So, I don't know, I'm growing up, developing as a woman, and, you know, just like experiencing or whatever, to not say too much. But I'm honestly like really just learning, because I was never really taught about sex. I don't even know if that's a thing. I guess you just experience and learn as you go. Yeah. But so I haven't, because I didn't know I didn't even know how to have one, first of all. So I guess, I don't know. That may sound bad, but I know a lot of ladies like definitely understand where I'm coming from, because I know a lot of ladies have been through it. I've heard it multiple times. Never have I ever snuck someone in.
I have, but it was in my own apartment.
Oh, it was where?
In my own apartment, because y'all was out there.
Oh.
I lied
okay.
and said, oh my God, I can't believe this. Don't watch this, mama. I lied and said that the people gonna expect that. Remember I told you that people gonna, that's when I did it. I lied.
Oh.
It was bad too.
Damn, not only you wasted a body, but then you lied on top of that. It was, I know you feel shame.
Yeah. I ain't do that no more.
Oh, I didn't even answer it. I have snuck someone in when I was living, when we was living with mom, well, like before I even got my own house or anything.
Talk Mississippi Avenue?
No, the military houses.
I believe you. I remember I used to see sometimes. I know you be having people in there.
Not
people, but
not people. But you know, you think you know who?
I forgot who it was, but no.
Okay.
Probably Malik or something like that.
Yeah, it was. Okay. Okay, this is a good one.
You the only one. That's the reason I think that, because you really like that boy. You liked him.
Oh my gosh, that was wild. That was crazy. Jesus.
You like one of those characters off of Arthur though. I never liked him. I never liked him.
Colin do not like that boy. Oh my gosh.
He is so weird. It's like, yeah.
Anyways, child.
He left it. Like, why you like that?
Oh my gosh, Tyler do not like that. I'm sorry, Lord.
I hope you see this. Sounds funny.
Okay, the next one. Never have I ever used someone else's toothbrush.
No, I never did that.
I haven't either.
That's weird.
But that's common.
Right. What?
Like, I'm not gonna say it's common, like people just do it, but people have done it. Like if they were in a need to, or like if they forgot their toothbrush, they would use like their girlfriend or boyfriend toothbrush or something like that. But first off, it's rare that I'm gonna leave. My toothbrush is probably the first thing that I'm packing in my bag, and if I leave my toothbrush, I'm going to the store to get a toothbrush. I don't care if it's $1 toothbrush, I'm going to get me a toothbrush. Like, I don't know. Or me personally, I'm gonna find a way. Do with your hand, mouthwash. Don't act like I ain't never did it with your hand. Like y'all ain't, was in a desperate need. But using somebody else's toothbrush, me personally, it's not happening. Okay, so stop trying to look. Girl, he over here trying to look. Damn. Okay, never have I ever thought about another person while having sex. You haven't? I haven't either. I've never done that. But that's also another like common thing.
Yeah.
I guess it's common. But I have never have I ever ooh. Never have I ever ate booty.
I have. I didn't like it. I didn't want to. Ugh. I could never. But it's weird because I like that in return. But I don't want to do it. I don't know, it's weird.
I have
Was your ex?
No.
Malik?
No. It wasn't, it's nobody. Damn! Damn!
Whoops. Woo!
Damn! This man is.
I think I got more to say, but whoo.
Oh my gosh. This man started
I'm gonna find it. Okay.
Oh my fucking gosh. You gotta start that big. But no, it's somebody you definitely don't know. But I had, and although that, no.
I'm playing.
Oh my gosh, no, Lord.
I said that would make sense. Like you do. I'm playing.
Oh my God. Okay, but no, it's definitely somebody you don't know. But older men really like that. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, and I don't. Me personally, how men be like, nah, I ain't never got my booty. Like, just trying to do too much. It's not, I don't think it's a gay thing. Like, gay men do it and straight men do it. Me personally, I don't, if a man tell me that he has had it done by his girlfriend or like his wife or something like that, I'm not gonna be like, you gay, you, like, it's common. Cause that's where, that's what, like
the prostate is at.
Yeah, so either you like it or you don't like it. Either you try it and you don't like it, or you just never tried. But I wouldn't try to shame somebody if they like shame a man if he has had it done. But I have, me personally, I didn't like it. Would I try it again? I probably would one more time, but it would have to be with my husband. Like, and somebody that I know is just like very clean and like, I don't know, cause yeah, so
just never.
Yeah.
So no.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I may try it again. I don't know. I don't know. Never have I ever spent the block, like with your ex or like somebody that you was like really dealing with.
I don't know what that means. So no.
Like, never have you ever kept like doubling back, going back to the person, to a person, you know?
I mean, I never had a boyfriend before, so.
Okay, what about like, but somebody that you was really dealing heavy with?
No.
Okay. Girl, I have. I mean, I have. I think that's common. I definitely have. Multiple times. Yeah. But you learn your lessons, you grow, you elevate, expand your mind. And girl, you learn your worth and you keep it stepping. It's just period. But, oh, this is a good one. Y'all, this is getting spicy.
Ooh.
Okay, never have I ever had my mouth spat in while having sex.
Not me.
You haven't? Is that, like, have you heard of that before though? You would never try it?
Hell no. That's why we share each other toothbrush then.
Oh my gosh, y'all, I have.
Yeah.
It, like, ladies, if you know, you know. If you don't, then you don't. But it's not like a, it's not that. It's like a more like but with your man, your husband, let me get that clear, child. But it's more like y'all talk. It's more like he talking to you like real sexual, and he just tell you like to open your mouth, and then he do it slow. Like, it's weird. It sound nasty, but I promise you, ladies, I promise you, like, if y'all know. Me personally, I have, and I'm telling all my goddamn business. Lord have mercy.
Yes, very much.
I don't need to post it. I am.
Yes.
Okay. What?
Bird psychology.
Okay. We got 2 more questions, I think. Oh no, we got a couple more. Have you ever stood someone up on a date?
Yes.
So what's your definition of like standing somebody up?
I won't say like a date, but like when I look at, like, if you, let's, like, I get catfish, so like he don't look, we looking pictures, I'll drive off. Why you see me? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I have
but
not.
it's just you pulling up. I don't be saying that, to be looking, I'm like, be looking.
Yeah, I haven't, honestly. Well, my definition of standing somebody up is literally not showing up, not texting them, giving them, you know, heads up that you aren't going. Me personally, that's my definition of stand up. So I haven't. And if, like, have I canceled a date? I have. But standing up somebody, no, I have not. Wow. But I have been on a couple dates that I just didn't even want to fucking walk in. But I just went because I don't know. That's just, I don't want to do something. I wouldn't want nobody to do that to me. But I definitely understand what you mean, because people do be catfishing. Definitely. Never have I ever had sex on a.
What you trying to say?
What did I even say? I forgot.
Go to the next question.
Okay, never have I ever had sex on an airplane. I haven't, but I wouldn't mind trying. I wouldn't mind trying, or like on a jet, or like a private jet.
Have you seen that on Twitter?
Like that. Huh?
Twitter be showing them videos like
they
that.
do. I don't have
no Twitter is, oh girl, you don't want no Twitter. I mean, you could, but it is crazy out there for real. A lot of crazy shit.
Now I wouldn't mind like on a private jet. I don't know about an airplane, honestly, because
and then it's dirty in the cockpit.
I don't know about an airplane, but like on something that's more like private and secluded.
Pit.
I definitely would.
Cockpit.
Yeah.
Isn't it weird? I don't know why do people say like.
I be wondering like how do people come up with some of these names like ketchup, mustard?
Yeah.
Like how do we come up with those names?
Why you name like a sandwich like you know like sand and a witch like. I think of the sand and I think of a witch. But
that's why you have to also watch what you speak, because some of these words they do be cursed.
And
like
not just that though, but our tongues are powerful words, so it's just kind of like.
Most definitely. So you definitely, that's why I try to, even when I play, I don't even play how I used to play. Once you learn about the mindset, about how powerful your mouth is, and when you speak shit, I don't even play certain ways no more. And sometimes people are like, girl, you acting, you doing too much. But no, that shit is real. No matter if you want to believe in it, like you cannot believe in something and it's still real. Just because you don't believe in it don't mean it's not real. So I don't even play like that. But
Carisha, I don't play by that.
So never have I ever sucked D from the back.
Yeah,
I haven't. I don't know. Yeah, people like, I don't know. I hear people rapping about it and stuff, but like saying, I don't know. I haven't though.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I haven't. But that's all of the questions, you guys. Do you want to ask any questions? Do you have any questions? Or, you know, anything you want to, you know, be a little nosy?
I had a question, but I forgot. It was like a little long ago. So no.
Okay. Well, okay, y'all. That is the end of the video. I'm not sure when this video going up, but
tomorrow.
You think tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess it's going up tomorrow. So
it's not that.
Yeah, my vlog probably not gonna be up by then. So yes, y'all, we are finally in Houston, and we're at our Airbnb right now. But call a move-in date was today or whatever. But anyways, we'll talk more about it in my vlog. But yes, y'all, that is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope y'all enjoyed getting up in our business, because this was very personal. Very personal. But yes, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. I love y'all, and let me know what more y'all want to see, and talk with y'all later. Wait.